Hi, this is Dawn, and I had quite a few of you order kits by mail or couldn't make it to the workshop because got sick or something, and so I thought I'd record some quick instructions on how to do the projects because a couple of things aren't super easy to just figure out from looking at the kit. So you're going to make a box, a card, and a little goodie bag kind of thing here. So let me show you how the kit comes. It'll come in like this. You'll just slide out all your pieces. And we'll start with the first one, which is super easy, which is this gift bag. And really what it is, it's an envelope, a business size envelope, just cut in half. And so the first thing you want to do is glue down this flap so that it's stuck closed. All your pieces for it are inside there. And then I decorate this side so that it hides the flaps. And that way the back side of it is just plain. So you'll just glue it on basically and add whatever decorations to it that you want. And it's super quick and easy. Then we have our mermaid card, and I did pre-stamp the mermaid for you. And on here, like if you asked me to pre-stamp things, then I stamped it for you. If you did not and you have it yourself, then you'll go ahead and stamp it. So I stamped the bubbles in Lagoon. And then I took my water brush and I stuck it in the Lagoon stamp pad and just kind of did a little bit of Lagoon right along the bottom of the bubbles, kind of add a little dimension to that. The sand, I just stamped the sand stamp, and I will, I believe it's one that came with one of the Cricut cartridges, but you could use any kind of background stamp that you have to kind of get that look. And then there's 2 sand dollars on here, and I also stuck my water brush in the stamp pad, which I believe this was, oh, it's not here in front of me, Almond, I think. I'll look that up. And I just kind of colored it in a little bit. Desert sand would be a good choice if you have some of our older colors. On the mermaid, I colored her in, and then I took the Bashful Shimmer brush and went over her. And I don't know if you can tell in the camera, I'm trying to shift the angles here a little bit, that she's got a little bit of shimmer to her, which I thought would be great for the mermaid. So here's what your pieces look like in there. It's all in the envelope. Your mermaid is pre-stamped for you. I don't stamp the sayings. If you order a kit by mail, I figure you have the sayings that you might want to use. And on the sand, I just free-formed it. I just cut it with my scissors to get the sand look. Okay, so there's the card. And then we have the box. The box is super fun, but a little complicated. So your kit will come like this. Depending on how I had to mail it, I might fold pieces just to get it to go in the envelope correctly. And the first thing you're going to do is there's 2 scores right here. You're going to cut each corner out. So you're going to go from the bottom up to the second score and cut it out. And you're going to do that on all 4 sides. And I have that here for you. So this is what it would look like. All 4 sides are cut out. And then you're going to cut from that point up to the next line. So you end up with these 4 flaps here. Okay. And then I had scored it diagonally right here. So you'll just fold that back on its side to get that diagonal. And what that does is gives you your gusseting when you fold up your box. See the gusset right there? Then you're going to put adhesive on all 4 of these little flaps here. And then what I do is I line it up to the outside. So if you line it up here, it doesn't matter if it lines up perfectly inside. What matters is if it lines up on the outside and how nice it looks. So I use liquid glass here, and then you can always use, so you can put liquid glass on it, and then what is this called? Clothespin on it. So you can bend it, stick a clothespin on it to kind of hold it there for you while it dries. Okay, or you can use red score tape. So whatever you want, but you want a good strong adhesive. So you'll, like I said, glue all 4 sides like that. Okay, then your box will be like this. This piece right here is gonna tuck in. So it tucks in like that. And to make it tuck better, I just kind of trim a little bit off the edge. So see how it's not squared anymore? I trimmed a little bit there because that's gonna tuck in like that. okay? And then the top part, you're going to corner around it. You're also going to corner around the piece of paper that goes there so that it will match. And let me lay this out for you and I'll show you how the papers go on there. So you got your wider one here, your narrow one there, and then this one goes way down here because that ends up being the front. So I do recommend that you put your, once you get to this point where you've cut everything and you've scored it, go ahead and glue these pieces on. Remember, you corner rounded this, and then put your glue on these 4 spots to put the box together. So let me show you the finished box again and tell you a couple more things. You've got your little oval that goes here, and you've got your little string. I just kind of wrapped it around my hand, and my I have foam tape behind there, so then you just put it on there and just kind of move it around till you get it how you like it. And you can put a little piece of Velcro right there. So this one I didn't glue it real tight so that you could see the mechanics when I was showing people. So then it just goes like that. I hope you enjoy the projects and you buy another one soon. Let me know if you have any more questions and I'd be happy to answer them.